This time I'm using red filament to see how it will affect the reflected image. The main combiner piece was cut out from Lenovo Star Wars AR goggles. It's 4060 and rounded, which provides image magnification. It's perfectly see-through as well. The plastic frame is supposed to hold the main combiner piece and additional diagonal reflector. Both pieces will be held at 45 degrees to each other. The main combiner piece pushes right into the front of the frame. It's a really tight fit, but at least I'm sure it won't fall out. The diagonal reflector is a simple square cut out from 4060 reflecting plastic. It's made from the exact same material as the main combiner. This is how it looks when assembled. You can see some reflections already. It reflects the image from above and also below. The reflections from below need to be eliminated. It will mess with the reflected LCD image. It's a bit difficult to show, but it reflects and magnifies the image from my desktop. The unnecessary reflections can be easily eliminated using simple polarizer film. Right now I'm using polarizer from 3D glasses, as I'm still waiting for polarizer stickers. As you can see, when using polarizer, almost all bottom reflections are not visible. It's still not perfect, but it's a huge improvement. I've decided to add additional magnifying glass on top of the combiner assembly. This way I can get much bigger image from the display. I've designed this simple plastic bracket which will hold the lens in place. I've used my soldering iron to fuse both pieces together. I'm using my Apple Watch for testing, as it's really small and has really good resolution. You might not see it properly on camera, but image is quite big. There are some bottom reflections since I don't have polarizer installed. Here's the combiner without polarizer. You can clearly see my shelf reflection. And now I will try to show you how it looks with polarizer installed. The reflections are still a bit visible, but it's way better now. Most Birdbath modules use more than one polarizer. There's supposed to be one on the front to eliminate bottom reflections and one on the top to make the image more visible. It's difficult to show on camera, but basically with top polarizer image is brighter. And that's how I've made the most basic Birdbath module. Polarizer stickers should arrive soon, so I will make some improvements to this design. As always, thanks for watching and huge thanks to my Patreons. See you again soon.